السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لمزيد من العطاء والتألق.
Why price action is the best trading strategy available today. I believe that when new traders arrive at the market, they are often captured by the fantasy of colorful indicators and the idea that a simple crossover of lines will tell them exactly when to buy or sell any market. That's completely understandable when you don't have much experience, and I think most of us have been there. However, a trader eventually has to mature and realize that financial markets are not as simple as a moving line. So let's begin listing the main reasons why price action is the best alternative. Number 1. Raw price is the richest information available about the market. The raw price action chart, with its apparently chaotic and noisy nature, is the richest information a trader can get about a market as far as trading goes. That's because price hides deep information about its near future within its recent past, which is exactly what every trader is after at the end of the day. Number 2. Price action allows you to see the big picture and the little nuances of a market. I often say that one of the most profound skills a trader can develop is the ability to observe the details and nuances of price without losing sight of the bigger picture of a market. Pure price action trading is the only tool that allows a trader to develop that type of skill. That's something that no technical indicator will ever provide due to the leveling nature of smoothing indicators and formulas. Number 3. Price action has zero lag, unlike technical indicators. Raw price action has a zero amount of lag, unlike every single technical indicator out there. Lag simply means that there is a trade-off between precision and smoothness. In other words, the smoother an indicator is, the more unreliable and late it tends to be. If you know anything about the market, you know that late entries and early exits are a proven way of not making it in this business. The need to smooth out price action comes from the initial reaction of seeing all the market noise and apparent randomness. The secret, of course, is to dive into the chaos to find the amazing order within the market, not to smooth out the noise and treat all price bars as if they were the same. Number 4. Professional price action analysis is insanely accurate. Once a trader gets a grip on the type of accuracy that can be obtained with a well-constructed price action analysis, there is no coming back. Any method outside of price action seems to be almost childish in comparison. There are tools and techniques inside the realm of price action that will enable you to catch the very tip of a major or minor price reversal. Not always, of course, but it's certainly possible with price action. With other types of trading methods, this possibility doesn't exist at all. Number 5. Price action forces traders to use simple logic to interpret markets. When a trader uses some technical indicator with a fancy name, he tends to focus on the indicator itself and not on the market. When a trader only has the raw price action to analyze without the aid of formulas and smooth lines, there is no choice but to use simple logic to understand what's going on. When a trader uses technical indicators, which origin he doesn't necessarily understand most of the times, he can get away with not using logic. He can just follow whatever empty and meaningless signal an indicator will provide, and it's easy to see why that will go wrong. Number 6. Price action allows you to see the implied geometry of the market. One of the most amazing things about price action is that it's the only way a trader has to see the implied geometric nature of markets, which is one of the most interesting things about financial markets in my opinion. It's this very geometry that allows a trader to be more precise than most and see opportunities where others might not see anything. Think about the geometry of price as the fabric on which price develops. If you understand how this fabric bends and behaves, you have a significantly better chance of producing high-quality trades. Needless to say, technical indicators will make you completely blind about the implied geometry in price. Number 7. Price action allows you to use physics to understand the market. Price action is the only trading methodology that allows a trader to apply physics to understand the future behavior of price. The simple rules and first principles of classical mechanics can be applied in price to understand how the near future moves in light of the recent past. Number 8. Technical indicators are built on a lie. Technical indicators are tools originated from econometrics. However, what the vast majority of traders don't realize is that these tools were built to be used in stationary time series. In other words, in time series where the variable oscillates around a mean without the appearance of trends. Price is a non-stationary time series because it doesn't oscillate around a mean, and it produces trends all the time. So when you apply technical indicators that are built for a stationary time series to a non-stationary time series, you will get bad results. It's simply the wrong tool for the job. Just imagine trying to screw a bolt using a hammer. No matter how hard you try it, the job won't get done properly. The problem with traders that only know technical indicators is that all they have is a hammer, so every problem looks like a nail to them. Number 9. Price action allows you to see human behavior in the chart. The correct price action methodology will enable you to see subtle clues about human behavior in a chart, and that's priceless. Once you understand the power of this proposition, you will regret the amount of time you spent looking for truth in pseudoscientific technical indicators that are a dime a dozen. Understanding human behavior clearly is pivotal to any trader. Number 10. Price action allows a trader to incorporate hard science in the markets. A decent price action method will incorporate hard science like mathematics and physics to understand the nature of price. That's a huge benefit in relation to any other type of method because we don't need to come up with theories about how price should behave. We use the hard science that reliably explains everything else in the universe to explain the market, since markets are just another feature of our reality. In summary, price action is much more accurate, more reliable, way more sophisticated, and will open your eyes to a realm of possibilities that is hard to imagine if you were never exposed to the correct information. If you have interest in learning the correct price action method that incorporates all of the above, check out my price action trading video course in the link available in the video description. I will also leave the link for the official release video where you can see the table of contents and more specific information about the course. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you wish to support the channel, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, activate the notifications so you don't miss future uploads, and leave your feedback below in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. Take care.
السلام عليكم. لا تنسوا الإعجاب والاشتراك في القناة تشجيعا لنا لمزيد من العطاء والتألق.